Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the battery in a Samsung XE503C Chromebook. Before you begin your replacement, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you may also want to have them handy, as they might be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step in the battery replacement process will be to remove the 9 screws from the bottom cover. Once all 9 screws are removed, the next step will be to use your spudger to go around the perimeter of the bottom cover, carefully prying it until it comes off. Next, you will disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Now, you will remove the 4 battery screws. You can now remove the battery. To install your replacement battery, you will set it in place and replace the 4 battery screws. Now, you can reconnect the battery cable into the motherboard. The next step will be to snap the bottom cover back on. The final step will be to replace the 9 bottom cover screws. You have now successfully replaced the battery in your Samsung Chromebook. Good job!